Good morning, it's Don. So I've been all distraught about the love bugs. Last night I heard the mosquito plane fly over 4 or 5 times. I thought, I wonder if mosquitoes and love bugs have the same chemical formula. Well, this morning there's no love bugs. A couple of mosquitoes, but anyway, I got this PANGA all taped off. I'm going kind of fast, I'm in a hurry. It's a little breeze, but not too bad. I think I'll be all right. We're gonna get this thing painted. There's a love bug, just killed him. I got a couple cups already mixed. We're using disposable cups. I can go upside down with this. Works real good. Gonna put my respirator on. I'm gonna get right at it. A short window. So I'm just gonna set the camera down. We'll edit all this stuff later. All right, enjoy. I'm gonna paint for a little bit. Of course, I'll speed that up later. Here we go. First we go into the boat and we just go after that. Whew, all right. There is our base coat, tack coat, whatever you want to call it. Don't go nuts with it. Just get the paint on there. It takes about 30 minutes or so for the stuff to set where you want to put the second coat on there. Feel your tape where you taped it somewhere, and that's how you tell. If you look on the can with Awlgrip, they don't give you no instructions. They say if you're using our product, you're supposed to be trained, you're supposed to know what you're doing. Anyway, it's looking good. Oh, look at that love bug. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. I'll pick him off when that dries a little more. Oh my God. Well, only one casualty so far. That's not bad. So it looks pretty good. The second coat will look amazing. And then we're going to stop. All right, I got to clean up a little bit. I got to mix 2 more cups. I did this whole boat with 2 cups. That's pretty good. I'm excited. I'm happy. Things are looking good. All right, I'll check back with you shortly. Well, here's the finished product. Unfortunately, my camera batteries died when I painted the second final coat. Only takes 2 coats. But it came out real good. I had 3 love bug casualties, and I let them stay in there. And now I come back, here's one. You can just barely see it when it's dry. You can get it out, and there's a little spot. I think I'll be striping the bottom of the boat, and that'll cover that. So that was not of a consequence. There was another one back here on the transom. Right here, here's his legs still. And now that it's dry, gone. That's good. So it came out good. I wanted to show you the final coat. Just didn't work out. I thought I was recording it, and I wasn't. It took 2 quarts, 2 cups, about 750 milliliters each, to do the original first coat. We call it tack coat, base coat, whatever you want to call it. You don't want to go nuts, because then you'll start getting run. 3 cups to do the final coat. That's when you put it on, but you got to watch it. I mean, you got to put it on until it wets it, but you don't want to run it. Like I said, on this Awlgrip paint, it's a one and done. If it runs, you can't cut it and buff it like most paints. You just got to sand it all off and redo it. So we definitely don't want to do that. Came out real good, and that's it for now. We'll be hanging the motor here real soon. I got an aluminum plate to put on the back of the transom for that. Not necessary, but just something I do, makes me feel better. So that's it for the paint video. Thanks for following along. We'll be back.